another younger day, I can dream the time away in a universe inside of my room. The world is really mine from June to September. And if it wasn't really so, I was lucky not to know, and I was lucky not to wonder why. A pure and golden high, it's all that I remember. Summerfly, what was it every night when I was young? In the gentle world my childlike senses knew, and the world was just my cousin and the wind was just the tongue of the voice my lonely moments listened to. And I look at me today, all my dreams have gone away, I'm where I never thought I would be, seeing things that I thought I'd never see happening to me. And I lay awake at night till the darkness turns to light, hearing voices calling out my name, droning over that same message to me. Who's your darling? Who's your partner? Who's your baby now? Who wakes you up at night to tuck you in? Well, it don't matter, you just make her lonely anyhow. Don't know why you even try to win. Yeah, I lay awake at night till the darkness turns to light, hearing voices calling out my name, trolling over and again that same message to me.